Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 10th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is the rank of RBI in the SWFI's top 100 largest central bank rankings? Answer is 12th. According to the Sovereign Wealth Fund Institute's SWFI, top 100 largest central bank rankings by total assets in the world in 2024, India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, ranked 12th globally with a current total assets of 839 billion US dollars. The Federal Reserve System, FRS, the central bank of the USA, topped the list, assets worth 7.84 trillion US dollars. It is followed by China's People's Bank of China, PBC, in the second place with 6 trillion US dollars and Japan's Bank of Japan, BOJ, in the third with 5.54 trillion US dollars. Question number 2. Which medal has the Indian men's hockey team won in the Paris Olympics? Answer is bronze. The Indian men's hockey team, led by Harmanpreet Singh, won the bronze medal in the 2024 Paris Olympics, beating Spain. This is the second back-to-back bronze medal for the Indian men's hockey team after their bronze medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. The match against Spain was also the last international match for the veteran Indian goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh, who had an outstanding Olympics. Question number 3. Which medal has India's Neeraj Chopra won in Paris Olympics 2024? Answer is silver. Neeraj Chopra had to settle for the silver medal in the men's javelin throw competition at the Paris 2024 Olympics on 8 August 2024. This time, Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem broke the Olympic record with a throw of 92.97 meters to win gold, leaving Neeraj Chopra with a commendable second place. Neeraj Chopra bagged a silver medal with a throw of 89.45 meters, becoming the first Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in track and field. Question number 4. India won the 4th CAVA Women's Volleyball Nations League by defeating which country? Answer is Nepal. The Indian women's national volleyball team has won the 4th CAVA Central Asian Volleyball Association Women's Volleyball Nations League by defeating the host Nepal in the final. The final was played at the Dasharath Stadium in Kathmandu, Nepal, on 7 August 2024. This was the second CAVA title for the Indian women. India's Shalini was declared the most valuable player of the tournament. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the additional secretary in the Prime Minister's Office, PMO? Answer is Amit Singh Negi. Senior IAS officer Amit Singh Negi has been appointed additional secretary in the Prime Minister's Office, PMO. In 1999 batch Indian Administrative Service, IAS officer of the Uttarakhand cadre, Mr. Negi is currently Joint Secretary in the Department of Expenditure under the Union Ministry of Finance. Question number 6. India's first UPI-focused payments platform, UPI Setu, was launched by. Answer is Pine Labs. Pine Labs owned Setu, an application programming interface infrastructure provider, has introduced UPI Setu, India's first unified payments interface, UPI-focused payments platform for businesses and developers in partnership with Axis Bank Limited, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Setu was founded in 2018. Setu provides API solutions for various financial services. Acquired by Pine Labs in 2022, Setu is licensed by the RBI as an account aggregator? Question number 7. Kamal Madori has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Tunisia. Kamal Madori has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Tunisia, succeeding Ahmad Hachani, who was dismissed by the President, Kais Saied, without explanation on 7 August 2024. Kamal Madori has been serving as the Minister of Social Affairs since May 2024. Ahmad Hachani took office as Prime Minister in August 2023 by replacing Najla Bowden, who was also dismissed by President Kais Saied. Question number 8. Ceropegia shivrayana, a new flowering plant species, was discovered in. Answer is Maharashtra. A team of researchers have discovered new flowering plant species of Kandil Pushpa, named Ceropegia shivrayana, at Vishlagarh Fort in Kolhapur district, Maharashtra. The research findings were published in Phytotaxa, an international journal published from New Zealand. The species is named after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, an Indian king and founder of the Maratha Empire. It is the first time a plant species has been named after Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 9. As per Randstad, who has emerged as India's most attractive employer brand? Answer is Microsoft. Microsoft has emerged as India's most attractive employer brand, according to the findings of Randstad Employer Brand Research 2024. Tata Consultancy Services climbed the rankings this year to emerge as the runner-up, followed by Amazon, which occupied the third spot. Tata Power Company, which was the top brand last year, slipped to fourth rank this year. Another Tata brand, Tata Motors, stood fifth. Question number 10. RBI has increased the UPI tax payment limit. How much amount per transaction? Answer is 5 lakh rupees. The Reserve Bank of India has raised the tax payment limit through UPI from 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced on 8 August. Introduction of delegated payments via UPI, allowing authorized individuals to make payments from another user's bank account within a set limit. In December 2023, the limit for certain payments, such as those to hospitals and educational institutions, was raised to 5 lakh rupees. Question number 11. Who has introduced the Waqf Board Amendment Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha? Answer is Kiran Rijiju. The Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 was introduced in the Lok Sabha by Minority Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, has moved the bill for introduction in the lower house to further amend the Waqf Act 1995. The bill seeks to effectively address issues related to the powers of the state Waqf boards, registration and survey of Waqf properties, and removal of encroachments. Question number 12. RBI's Credit Policy Committee has kept the repo rate unchanged at what percentage? Answer is 6.5. On 8 August 2024 in Mumbai, Reserve Bank of India, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das said that the Monetary Policy Committee has kept the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% for the 9th consecutive times. RBI has not changed its forecast for the Indian economic growth rate for the financial year 2024-25 and expects the Indian GDP to grow by 7.2%. The growth rate of the Indian economy in 2023-24 was 8.2%. Question number 13. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of the Multi Commodity Exchange, MCX? Answer is Praveena Rai. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has approved Praveena Rai's appointment as the Managing Director and CEO of the Multi Commodity Exchange, MCX, India's largest commodity exchange. Praveena Rai, previously the Chief Operating Officer, CEO, of the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, brings over 20 years of extensive experience in payments and banking to her new role at MCX. Question number 14. Who is set to become the first female CEO of DBS Group? Answer is Tan Su Shan. Indian origin top Singapore banker Piyush Gupta is set to step down as the Chief Executive Officer of the DBS Group in 28 March 2025. He will be succeeded by Tan Su Shan, who was appointed Deputy CEO on 8 August 2024. With this, Tan Su Shan set to become the first female CEO of DBS Group in March 2025. Question number 15. Which university became first international university to establish a campus in India? Answer is Deakin University. Australia's Deakin University is the first international university to establish a teaching campus in India. Deakin University has welcomed its first batch of students to master's courses in cyber security and business analytics to its GIFT City campus in Gujarat. The largest number of registrations has come from Gujarat, followed by Maharashtra and New Delhi. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.